So what we're looking for is a classic ICT fair value gap to form between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. New York local time. The factor at which you are going to lean heavily on is the skill set of knowing where price is going to go to. Okay, and it's not necessarily the bias. You just predominantly have to consider where the next draw on liquidity is. Is it going to go above the marketplace for buy stops or trade into inefficiency above current price action if you're bullish? In this case, the market was bearish. It was looking to go lower, and there was an obvious sell side liquidity pool resting below that old swing low. And between 3 o'clock and 4, the market created a fair value gap. We had a shift in market structure below this low here. So this is your classic what? Optimal trade entry. Fair value gap here. The market shows the willingness to support this idea with the bodies staying inside that gap. See that? Now at 4 a.m. it does pump one more time just above it, but that's fine. It would have never stopped you out with the rules I teach with all of my models here, especially the optimal trade entry. The idea for this would be to look for a minimum of, what market is this? It's a futures contract, so that means does it offer the potential for 10 handles? So from here down to here, trading below this low, not just to the low, but to it and through it. So it's reasonable to anticipate a potential run of 10 handles. We don't require that, but going short inside that fair value gap, the formation of the ICT silver bullet, the entry is taken inside of that 60-minute window between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. It does not mean that the trade is entered and is exited in the same 60-minute window. In other words, your trade many times will be held over the 4 o'clock hour and into 5 o'clock in the morning, maybe even rolling over into the New York session opening at 7, 8 o'clock New York local time. But in this instance, we would be aiming for this low and the sell side liquidity resting below it. So does it offer from this entry here down to here at least 5 handles for you to book in profit? It does so. The framework was, could it get to 10? It could do 10. We don't require that. Shorting into fair value gap, covering at the old low, allows for at least 5 handles, and that's what the ICT silver bullet is.